Okay, I'm going to go ahead and introduce to you week 12, which is October the 29th through November the 4th. You're looking at the preterite tense. You're going to want to study pages 204 to 206 in your text. After completing this week's assignment, you should be able to use the preterite tense to talk about events in the past. You should also be able to relate to basic information about Chile's history, economy, geography, and people. All of this week's work is due on the 1st. You want to start off the week by watching the instructor-made videos. The videos talk about stem changing verbs in the preterite tense. Then you'll want to click on the class participation forum. Click on the thread and post any questions or concerns you have about the material either covered in the video or covered in class. Then you also have a cultural assignment, so you're going to want to open up the quiz below. You have the transcripts to the videos in English right here. You also have the videos, so you want to open up the video, and you could just put on the English transcripts, and if you play the video, okay, so you can hear that the video is in Spanish, but you can see the captions in English, and it should be that way for all of them. Okay, when you're ready, you hit attempt quiz. You've got 2 hours and 1 attempt. There are the links to the videos again if you need them. There's some fill in the blank. Remember, these are going to have to be manually graded, and then you have some true-false questions based upon what you saw in the video. When you're done, hit finish attempt, and then it will come to me. Okay. Let's see, you also have assignment 12. You're going to go into my language labs and complete these activities. So if you go out to your calendar, you want to click on your course calendar or your to-do list. And then I'm going to need to change the date because I need November. So November the 1st, the activities pop up right here. You're going to want to complete these activities. You can do them as many times as you would like before the due date. But then if you're doing them more than 3 times, I suggest reaching out to me so I can help explain to you what you're doing wrong. Okay. You also have your oral dialogue preparation. This week you're doing a critique. You can't, wait a minute. No, I take that back. You're getting started with it. This is your first round in the workshop. You've done many workshops at this point in time, so hopefully you know how they work. But you are basically going to write your answers to these questions in the workshop, and then next week myself and fellow classmates will be critiquing what you plan to say, and then the week after that you'll actually make the recording using the critiqued script. So if you open up, you just want to answer, you'll hit start preparing your submission and just write out your answers to those questions. And like I said, I'll go in and give you feedback as well as your classmates will. And that's everything you have to do for week 12.